How to manage registry favorites in Windows. Managing Windows registry entries can get complicated, especially when you're navigating deep hierarchies across different keys. But there's a simple way to keep track of what matters. Today, we're walking through how to use and manage favorites in the Windows 10 Registry Editor. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the Windows Registry? The Windows Registry is a centralized, hierarchical database that stores information on everything from BIOS settings to user preferences and core system files, device drivers, and account services. Because of its complexity, it helps to bookmark critical keys using the Favorites feature. Adding registry keys to favorites. Here's how to add a registry key to favorites. Open the Registry Editor, then navigate to the key you want. Click on Favorites in the top menu and select Add to Favorites. Give it a name and confirm that it doesn't duplicate an existing entry. Click OK and your favorite is saved for easy access. Removing favorites. To remove a favorite, open the Registry Editor, go to Favorites in the menu bar and choose Remove Favorite. Then select the item you want to delete and confirm. Backing up favorites. You can also back up your favorites. Go to HKEY_User/software/Windows/Applications/Current version//Applet's/Windows/Favorites, right-click the favorites key and export it as a .reg file. This makes it easy to restore your saved keys or transfer them to another machine. Renaming favorites. If you need to rename a favorite, just delete the old entry and recreate it under a new name. Lost a favorite and didn't back it up? You'll need to re-add it manually. Miscellaneous checks to do. Before working in the registry, always check that you have admin privileges and that group policies aren't blocking access. Many common issues, like missing menu options or unsaved favorites, can be traced back to restrictions in permissions or third-party interference. Favorites make it much easier to organize and access critical registry keys. With backups, proper permissions, and a little housekeeping, you'll save time and avoid errors. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing registry favorites linked in the description below.